What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another whistle tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over the Wigeon Whistle. So we'll go over, and this is probably the best whistle to do the Wigeon on. This one's a little harder to get it, but you can still get pretty close. But the Wigeon Whistle is just going to be, it's like a three-pronged note with a little bit of emphasis on the middle note. And it sounds something like this. And you go a little softer too. It's just a really squeaky sounding whistle, if that makes any sense. It's just, you'll know it when you're out on the marsh and you hear them. It's just a really distinct whistle. And then, we'll try it on this one, no problems. Doesn't sound as good on this one. This is my favorite for doing the Wigeon on. But that's all there is to it. These whistles are pretty simple once you get the hang of them. You know, they don't take too much practice. Some of them more than others, but they're pretty simple in the grand scheme of things. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment, let me know what your thoughts were. Guys, do you get the Wigeon in your area? We haven't been seeing them lately the last couple of years out here. Let me know down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay up to date with the latest hunting and fishing exploits, as well as more hunting boot camps and cooking videos coming out sometime in the future. The hunting boot camps come out every Monday, so check back for those. And we finally will be able to get on turkeys this weekend, so we've got some more hunting videos coming out soon. And we'll catch you out there, guys. See ya.